Today's topic is nomenclature of elements of chapter 3, classification of elements and periodicity in the properties. Nomenclature of elements. In this module, you will learn the nomenclature of element with atomic number more than 100. Traditionally, for few elements, the discoverer gets the privilege to name it. The name is then officially recognized by IUPAC. However, in recent years, this tradition has led to some controversy. And the new elements with atomic number more than 100 are so unstable and only minute quantity of them are obtained, and their synthesis is carried out in some laboratories in the world with a very high competitive spirit. Scientists at times claim the discovery of a new element even before collecting reliable data on it. For example, atomic number 104 RF claimed to be discovered by both American and Soviet scientists. American scientists named it Rutherfordium, whereas Soviet scientists named it Kurchatovium. The IUPAC has recommended a systematic nomenclature for the element with atomic number more than 100, and this gives a temporary name to an element with atomic number more than 100 till the time its discovery is proved and its official name is given. In this system of nomenclature, the temporary name of element is derived directly from its atomic number by the root name. Root name like this. For example, to get the name of an element, the root word of all digits making its atomic number are put together in order. Then suffix ium is added to the end. To get the symbol of an element, the initial of all root words are put together in order. For example, atomic number of element 101, name of the element for 1 un, for 0 nil nil, for 1 again un, then iubium, so name is un nil un ubium, so symbol of elements are unu. For example, atomic number 102, name of the elements un, then nil plus bi, then ubium. So name of the elements and symbol of the elements is U and B. So atomic number of element 101, name of the elements un nil un ium. So you can see the name of and symbol of atomic number 101 to 118 in this chart. When the discovery of the element is proved, a permanent name and symbols are given by a vote of IUPAC representatives from each country. That you can see atomic number, name. In this module, you have learned the nomenclature of the element with atomic number more than 100.